Today is a travel day. We'll be traveling from La Paz to the magic city of Loreto. We'll be heading north along Highway 1 through the towns of Ciudad Constitution and taking a right at Ciudad Insurgentes, heading east toward the Sea of Cortez. Along the way, we'll run into one of my favorite scenic overlooks known as Mirador Frida. It's a fantastic location with unparalleled views of the Bay of Loreto and the Sea of Cortez. Hope you enjoy this drive and this short visit to Mirador Frida. Hey there, I'm Duncan. I'm a passionate traveler and explorer, and I love telling stories about my experiences. This is really quite a special place. What do you think, huh? Pretty cool. I think this looks like a pretty good spot to fly my drone from as well. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get the drone up. If you make it this way off Highway 1, I would really highly recommend you stop by. I think you would really like it. 20-25 miles to Loreto. You come to this overlook, or Mirador as it's called in Spanish, and this is absolutely stunning. This is Denzini Island off in the distance. When I think of Baja, this is what I think about. This is the place. Hello friends, I hope you liked this video that I brought you from Mirador Frida, located on the beautiful Bay of Loreto and the Sea of Cortez. It's really a special place, and I always love stopping by there and taking in the beautiful views of the Sea of Cortez and Isla Carmen. I would make a special request. The majority of the people that are looking at my content are not subscribers to my channel. It's very quick, it's very easy, doesn't cost a thing. You should see a little red subscribe box on the bottom right of this video, and all you have to do is click it to subscribe. And it's one thing that would really help me grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Lots more content to come, and talk soon.